Next, market cap. I explained you in session number 2 what is market cap, the size of the company, right? So market cap, I look at more than 200 crores. Why? The smaller the company, the less the information you have in the market. In terms of, there's something called earnings call. I'll cover that in session number 5. In terms of analyst report, in terms of other articles and news about the industry and the company, it's very less. Why? Because the company is very small, right? And also the volume of the company is very low. Typically, if the company size is very low, the volumes of shares, the number of shares trading, buying and selling happening in the market is also very low. So I prefer a company with a market cap of more than 200, and this is a very random number. You can always say I want to look at a market cap of only more than 500, or only more than 1,000 crores, or only more than 100 crores. So you can always change that. You can always tweak with that filter. For example, when we are looking at the screener, instead of 200, let's say I enter here 500. So I'm okay with that. So let's keep it at 500. So now number of companies reduces to 532 from 600 something. Right? I can make it maybe 100 only. I can say no, I want to look at all the companies above 100 crores. So now it is 653. Right? But if you look at the market cap of general, just to get an idea about the kind of market cap we have, let's say Nestle has got a market cap of 1,83,000 crores. Yeah, P&G Hygiene has got a market cap of 47,000 crores. Colgate has got a market cap of 42,000 crores. So just look at the market cap of the companies which you are holding right now, those who are investing. So that will give you a comparative analysis of what kind of market cap companies you have been investing in so far. So that will give you this number that if you want to keep it 200 or 500 or 300 or 1,000. Yeah. Next, avoid seasonal businesses. Let me show you an example. There is a company called S. Chand. Go to quarterly report. Now look at this. Sales. September, December it was low. March 449. June, September, December very low. March again very high. June, September, December very low. March again very high. Tell me in the chat box what's the reason. Why do you think this company has got this kind of revenues? Only in one quarter the revenue comes. The other 3 quarters is like minuscule, negligible. They're seasonal, but why is it seasonal? Yes, it is into selling books. And in that March quarter is when the students and the schools order books to them. Once they have done that, once they have sold the books for this next academic year, they're done. Then very few students who have missed the book or replaced the book, or the book is torn or whatever, they just need to replace or buy another one, they will come, or schools will come. Right? So I would like to avoid this business. Why? One question which you have to ask yourself again and again is, you are session number 1, slide number 1, you are doing a business. So and we all have got limited capital. No one has got unlimited capital, right? Unlimited money kisi ke paas nahi hai. If you want to do a business, would you choose the one which is like working only 1 or 2 months in a year, or would you like to choose the one which is working 12 months a year? Tell me, chat box, which business do you want? So jewelry is not really seasonal, but yes, it's sometimes when the wedding season is there, the jewelry business goes up more. But in general, jewelry is sold across the 12 months, right? So yeah, so everyone is saying 12 months. So just to answer most of the questions, 99% of the questions will be answered from this one question, that you are doing this business yourself. You are a partner in this business. So what would you do in this case? Yeah, that's the question you need to ask yourself. Net profit margin for season business is high. Not true. Look at this. Net profit margin is 1.08%. This is like one of the most pathetic margins, I would say. So that's not true. I mean, I'm saying there can be business which is seasonal and has got net profit margin good, but there is no such standard or such data in the previous data which proves that. Last year they had in fact loss. This year it is 1.08%. Yeah, even if you look at the previous years, it is not great. Yeah. So we are just looking at all the parameters one by one.